हमारा थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ दिस सेशन इज सिंपल टेंसेस। 2016 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 और 6 लेते हैं। Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blanks from the given alternatives. Fifth, the telephone dashed several times before I answered it. Was ringing, has rung, had rung, would ring. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3, had rung. Okay. Next question is sixth one. It's surprising that father only scolded Reena. She should have been punished more severely for doing what she did. Option 1 might, 2 should, 3 would, 4 could. So यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं एक assertive sentence बन रहा है, so आंसर होगा second option should. Okay? ये क्वेश्चन है 2018 से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, fill in the blanks choosing most suitable word from the ones given below. Victory has many fathers, that defeat is an orphan. So option 1 and, 2 but, 3 yet, 4 so. इसका आंसर भी काफ़ी सिंपल सा है, which will be second but. So now we are in the fourth part of our session, which is closest meaning. So here we have to find out the closest meaning of a word or a phrase given. So first question is from 2016. Choose the word phrase which is in the closest meaning to underline in the sentence. 16th question. Whatever universal cannot be exhausted to one particular form. So options are reduced, second made tired, third fulfilled, fourth abrogated. So reduced means, let us see the meanings, okay, first of all. So first, reduced means to make less, right? Second is fulfilled. So exhausted and fulfilled are not even close, okay, they are not close. And let us see the option 4 now, abrogated, which means to repeal, okay, so this won't be the answer. Next is made tired. So made tired is for a human being, and we are not talking about a human being here, so omit this, and the answer for question number 16 will be reduced. Okay. Next question comes from 2018. Select the word or phrase which gives the closest meaning of the idiom. I would suggest कि आप लोग idioms and phrasal verbs extra पढ़ के जाएं, आज से शुरू कर दें, because this will help you a lot. So the idiom is off the cuff. Option 1, out of one's hand. Second, being free from responsibility. Third, hands on. Fourth, spontaneous. So the idiom off the cuff means without preparation or unplanned. So here without preparation or unplanned is the fourth one, spontaneous, मतलब एकदम उसी वक्त जल्दी से, right? So the answer of off the cuff will be fourth option, spontaneous. Next comes our part 5 of this session, which is finding errors. Okay, so we have to find the errors, mistakes in the sentences or the phrases. So this question is from 2018. 7. Find the part of sentence which has an error. Despite of many attempts to introduce a universal language, the effort has met with very little success. So if you read it, it will seem that कि हाँ ये तो सही लग रहा है, इसमें एरर कहाँ है, तो चलिए फिर ओमिट करते हैं। तो आप लोगों ने डिस्पाइट एंड इन स्पाइट ऑफ तो सुना ही होगा। बोथ द वर्ड्स हैव सेम मीनिंग, दिस मीन्स बावजूद, इस चीज़ के बावजूद, ओके, बट द रूल इज डिस्पाइट के साथ ऑफ नहीं लगता है, इन स्पाइट के साथ हमेशा ऑफ लगता है, दो स्पाइट ऑफ, and the correct sentence will be despite many attempts to introduce a universal language, the effort has met with very little success. Okay, हमारा next question भी 2018 से है। Question number 8, find the part of sentence which has an error. The interviewer asked me if I knew that Kalidas was the greater than any poet. So this is simple. If so the interviewer asked me if I knew that. The interviewer asked me if I knew that कालिदास was greater than any poet. द नहीं आएगा, राइट? सो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 2. ऑप्शन 2 has an error, which is the. Okay? With this, we come to the last part or the sixth part of today's session, which is grammar, phrasal verbs, and word meanings. The previous year questions are from 2018. Question number 9. Choose the word or phrase which best completes the sentence. His jokes seem to dash very well with the audience if their laughter is any indication. Here as well we see some phrasal verbs. So what are phrasal verbs? A combination of two or more words from different grammatical categories. For example, workout. We use this word almost every day, right? Workout मतलब exercise करना. Came across मतलब किसी से अचानक मिल जाना. Okay? So these are the examples. तो यहाँ जो ऑप्शंस हैं जैसे go off, go down, go along and go by. पहले इनका मीनिंग्स देख लेते हैं. Go off means to explode, okay? And go down means to sink or to crash. Go along means to continue, to progress, and go by means to be known by a particular name. Okay? किसी नाम से जानना, किसी नाम से किसी को जानना. So, go along. क्वेश्चन फिर से पढ़ते हैं. His jokes seem to dash very well with the audience if their laughter is any indication. So, go along will be the answer because it means continue and progress. It progresses and it is continuing very well with the audience and their laughter, if their laughter is any indication. Next question is question number 19. Choose the word which is closest in the meaning to the underlined word. He rarely visits his old parents in the village. So first option is temporarily, second is secretly, third is irregularly, and fourth is frequently. So option 4, frequently, is the complete opposite of rarely. So let's cut this option. The second option, secretly, also doesn't fit with the sentence, right? It doesn't go with rarely. So let's cut it off. Next, we have remaining temporarily and irregularly. So let us see temporarily. It means to stay for a while. To stay somewhere for a while. It's my temporary house. It's my temporary profile picture. We say it there that sometimes, right? So rarely is not temporarily. Rarely मतलब बहुत कम. तो temporarily को भी हम करेंगे omit. Okay? We'll cut it off. So what we have left is option number 3, irregularly, which will be the answer to this question. Okay? Next we have question number 4. Choose the most appropriate verbal expressions. The offer was not good enough, so I turned it in, up, off, down. So these are also phrasal verbs. So first let us know the meaning. Turned in means to give something, to give someone something, some authority. Okay? Second, turned up means to be found specially by chance. Third, turned off means to stop the flow. Okay, to stop the flow of a tap maybe, right? And the fourth is turned down. Turned down means to reject. So the question is, the offer was not good enough, so I turned it down. Okay, I rejected it. Offer सही नहीं था तो मैंने उसे कर दिया reject. Done. Next is fifth one. Which of the following is correctly spelled? So we have an obvious answer, which is option number 3. correspondence. Okay, correspondence. Sixth, she is not familiar dash this subject. In, to, for, with. Answer will be for, with. She is not familiar with this subject. Next we have some more questions from 2019. Seventh, the antonym of cryptic is, antonym means opposites, okay, you know that. And the meaning of cryptic means extremely mysterious. Okay, so its opposite will not be sure. Okay, sure is not the opposite of being mysterious. Not even open. Clear, yes. Sublime, no. So the answer to the seventh question is option number 3, which means clear. The antonym of cryptic is clear. Next is 8. I know the silly girl always dash stupid remarks. Made, makes, was made, was making. Makes. She always. वो क्या करती है? हमेशा. Okay, she keeps doing it. The answer will be option number 2, makes. Next up we have 15th number question. She knows all about that film because she dash it twice. Has seen, is seeing, will seen, have seen. Answer will be option 1, has seen. She has seen the movie twice. That's why she knows everything about that movie. Next up we have question number 16. Select the word option that means the same as the given group of words. A line at which the earth and the sky seem to meet. Scope, sphere, horizon, prospect. Answer will be option number 3, horizon. A book that contains information on various subjects. Thesaurus, dictionary, a guidebook, or encyclopedia. So encyclopedia has information about various subjects. So answer will be option number 4. More questions from 2019. Question number 18. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word. The building was so old and dilapidated that it was not first habited, habitable, habituate, and habitability. Answer will be second option, habitable, which means suitable or good enough to live in. So the building was not so suitable and good enough to live in. Question number 20. Select the word which conveys the same meaning to the word exile. To banish, to remove, to frighten, to repatriate. So the answer to this question will be to banish, which means to be sent away to any other place. With this, we come to an end of this session of solving the question papers of 2016, 18 and 19. I hope this was helpful to you. So share this video and also check out the previous year question papers which have been solved in this channel before. And thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye.